I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create multi-site in WordPress, updated. Start by backing up your site and enabling multi-site in wp-config. PHP using the WP allow multi-site constant. Then access tools network setup to choose subdomains or subdirectories and give your network a name. Follow the provided code snippets to update wp-config, PHP and htaccess. Then log in again to access network admin and start adding sites and users. To configure your network, open network admin and review settings like user registration and new site defaults. Choose whether site admins can install themes or plugins and restrict capabilities accordingly. Network activate only trusted plugins to maintain performance and security across sites. Set default roles and themes for consistency and adjust upload limits and domain mapping if needed. Regularly test a new site creation to ensure settings apply cleanly across the network. Managing a multi-site network means balancing control with flexibility for site admins. Use domain mapping for custom domain sites and enforce consistent themes where appropriate. Keep a strict update schedule for plugins and themes and test updates on staging before pushing network-wide. Monitor performance and storage limits and automate backups to recover quickly from issues. Communicate policies clearly to site owners to prevent accidental conflicts or security gaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.